Hello everyone. Today we have an old question paper, that is previous question paper of SET exam, that was conducted in 19th of May 2016. Now the first question, see that the first question is that Simone de Beauvoir is the pioneer of Simone de Beauvoir is the pioneer of, and the correct option is A. Feminism. Feminism is the correct option here. Now the second question, George Eliot was the pen name of. George Eliot was the pen name of, and the correct option is B. Mary Ann Evans. Mary Ann Evans. This question is very famous. Many times this question is asked in the exam. Okay, now the next question. Which of the following novels is not written by E.M. Forster? Which of the following novels is not written by E.M. Forster? And the correct option is D. Lord Jim. Lord Jim is the correct option. Lord Jim. ओके, अशाच प्रकारचे महत्त्वपूर्ण उपयुक्त नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बाजूच्या बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा. To watch such a type of useful videos, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. And the name of our channel is AK Plus Universe of Learners. Okay, now the next question, that is question number 4. Who wrote the life of Samuel Johnson? Who wrote the life of Samuel Johnson? And the correct option is C. James Boswell. James Boswell wrote the life of Samuel Johnson. Means this work was written by James Boswell. Now the next question. Who among the following is not a British writer? Who among the following is not a British writer? And the correct option is Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Hemingway is the correct option. He was not a British writer. Question number 6. Space is the only play where Shakespeare follows the classical three unities of time, place and action. And the option number A is correct. Tempest. The Tempest is the only play or the drama in which William Shakespeare follows the classical three unities of time, place and action. Now the next question, question number 7. The term objective correlative is associated with, and the correct option is D. T.S. Eliot. Objective correlative, this term was coined by T.S. Eliot. Question number 8. Who is the moment poet among the following? Who is the moment poet among the following? And the correct option is C. Larkin. Larkin is the correct option. He is considered to be the moment poet. Now the ninth question. Coleridge draws a distinction between imagination and fancy. We know that this question is very famous. All knows all about this fancy and imagination. Now the question number 10. Robert Browning is famous for his dramatic monologue. Dramatic monologue is the correct option. Especially Robert Browning is considered as a famous poet for employing dramatic monologues. Question number 11. Who wrote Wuthering Heights? And the correct option is A. Emily Bronte. Emily Bronte is the correct option. Next question. The meaning of hamartia is. The meaning of hamartia is, and the correct option is C. Error in judgment. Error in judgment. Next question. The line busy old fool, unruly son is written by. The line busy old fool, unruly son written by. And the correct option is A. Donne, John Donne. This is the line that has been taken from the poem composed by John Donne. Next question. The author of Christ Victory and Triumph is. Christ Victory and Triumph is means who is the author of this work? And the correct option is B. Giles Fletcher. Giles Fletcher is the correct option. Who is the author of Christ Victory and Triumph? Next question, question number 15. The line a man can be destroyed but not defeated appears in. A line a man can be destroyed but not defeated appears in. And the correct option is B. The Old Man and the Sea. The Old Man and the Sea. Okay, now the next question, question number 16. The poem Passage to India is written by. The poem Passage to India is written by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman is the correct answer. He is known as the democratic poet. He was from America, and Passage to India, this poem was composed by, written by Walt Whitman. For the next question, question number 17. Samuel Pepys is chiefly known as a. And the correct option is A. Diarist. Samuel Pepys is chiefly known as a diarist. Next question. One of the following novelists is called the poet laureate of market economy. Who is he? And the correct option is D. Daniel Defoe. Daniel Defoe is the correct answer. Who is known or who is called the poet laureate of market economy. The 19th question. Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy was first published in. Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy was first published in. And the correct option is A. 1668. 1668. In this year, an essay of dramatic poesy was first published. That was written by John Dryden. Next question, question number 20. Kubla Khan is written by. This question is very simple. Everyone knows the answer of this question. S.T. Coleridge. That is Samuel Taylor Coleridge, a romantic poet. Kubla Khan is a work that has been written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Now the next question, 21. Wagner is a character in. This question is also very simple. Dr. Faustus. Wagner is a character in Dr. Faustus, and Dr. Faustus is a play that is written by Christopher Marlowe, one of the university wits. Next question, question number 22. He is the perfect representative of what the age was trying to be, the man who more than anybody else helped society to go the way it wanted to go. He is an observation about Joseph Edison's life and works by. And the correct option is D. Bonamy Debris. Next question, 23. Thou still unravished bride of quietness, thou foster child of silence and slow time, these famous opening lines are from. And the correct option is C. Ode on a Grecian Urn. Ode on a Grecian Urn. Next question. Question number 24. The Meal on the Floss is a tragic story. The Meal on the Floss is a tragic story of. And the question, option number B is correct. A brother and a sister. A brother and a sister. Question number 25. The Mistakes of the Night is the subtitle of the play. And the correct option is C. She Stoops to Conquer. She Stoops to Conquer. The Mistakes of the Night is the subtitle of the play. She Stoops to Conquer. Question number 26. Hinchcliffe. Hinchcliffe is a character in, and the correct option is D. Wuthering Heights. Wuthering Heights is the correct option in which this character appears. Question number 27. Thus conscience does make cowards of all. This famous line is from, and the correct option is B. Hamlet. Hamlet is the correct option in which the above given line appears. Next, question 28. Cultural studies takes its outlook from, and the correct option is B. Raymond Williams. Raymond Williams is the correct option. Cultural studies. Question number 29. Intertextuality is a term coined by. Intertextuality is a term coined by, and the correct option is B. Julia Kristeva. Julia Kristeva is the correct option. Who coined this term, intertextuality? Now the last question of this video. Question number 30. Practical criticism was written by. Practical criticism was written by. This is one of the famous questions in the English literature, and the correct option is I.A. Richard. I.A. Richards is the correct option, who is known for his practical criticism. Now in this video we have included 30 questions, and now 20 questions remain, and this 20 question will be taken or will be added in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Thanks for watching.